All right, let's talk about the Kendal II at Northlake at Ovation. From the moment you drive in, this community just feels dialed in. Clean streets, stylish homes, and that low-key energy that makes you feel like you're exactly where you're supposed to be. Inside the Kendal II, you get a floor plan that just makes sense. Big windows keep the place bright, and the layout flows. Kitchen, dining, living, all open and connected. Perfect if you like entertaining. Upstairs, the bedrooms give everyone their own space, and the overall vibe is peaceful without being too quiet. The community has some awesome bonuses too. A resort-style pool for cooling off, walking trails if you're trying to hit your step count. Everything's walkable, clean, and built to enjoy. You're just a short drive from downtown Winter Garden, so it's easy to pop over for brunch, browse the shops, or hit up the Saturday Farmers Market. If you're ready to see what life at Northlake at Ovation could look like, Ben Laube Homes is your team. Schedule a tour, ask your questions. We're here to help make this place home.